Northern Blossom Flower Farm is a 2-hectare farm with mountain views located in Atok, Benguet. It features echeveria plants, colorful rose cabbages, vibrant sunflowers, pastel-colored flowers, marigolds, delphinium, Matthiola, and roses planted in wide rolling fields. Because of its gaining popularity in the past years by means of social media platforms, the Northern Blossom Flower Farm got featured in popular TV shows such as Capamelia News, Matthiola, and Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. Northern Blossom Flower Farm is a 9-hour drive from Metro Manila and a 2-hour drive from Baguio City. Many visitors coming from the National Capital Region go to this beautiful place to experience the spring and the flower boom that is very similar to Japan and South Korea. I've been to Baguio City before, but this time it's my first time to go in Atok, Benguet, and I want to see with my own eyes what Northern Blossom Flower Farm looks like. Also, I want to take a deep breath in the Northern Luzon region and just enjoy life. For this reason, we recently joined a 2-day tour trip going to Baguio City. The tour coordinator gave us the itinerary, and to my surprise, I found out that the first day tour trip have a side trip to Northern Blossom before we even start exploring Baguio City. It was Thursday morning when our group arrived at the Northern Blossom Flower Farm around 7:30 a.m. The sun started to rise and it was a glorious morning for all of us. The first time I saw the Northern Blossom Flower Farm, I was amazed, and all I can say is God is great. The view at the flower farm is breathtaking, and we can clearly see the majestic Mount Pulag, which is the highest mountain in Luzon. Also, we can see different kinds of plants and flowers such as the echeveria flowering plant, cabbage rose, snapdragons, rice flower, and sunflowers. The snapdragons we saw have different kinds of colors such as blue, red, pink, and purple. Then we walk several meters down and we stay in the viewing area on the upper slopes to marvel at the vastness of the Cordillera mountain range. After that, we climb up and we saw the vast garden full of beautiful plants and flowers which I'd never seen before. Then I told myself that this flower farm is so wide and indeed a go-to destination for plant lovers. Northern Blossom Flower Farm is dubbed by many tourists as the Netherlands of the Philippines. Also, the weather here is colder than in Sagada during the beer months. Without a doubt, the flower farm is a must-visit destination in Benguet province. From my perspective, this is one of the most fantastic and romantic places I've ever been to. The flower farm and garden are filled with varieties of flowers with every single step we take. Also, the flower farm is like a dreamy scene in a fairy tale garden for all of us. Our group went on to another side of the flower farm and we saw many hydrangeas stretch out in different colors and sizes. For this reason, we stayed for 20 minutes on this part to take lots of Instagrammable pictures and videos as a souvenir of this wonderful creation of God. Bring a jacket when you're visiting Northern Blossom because the temperature there can be as low as 7 degrees Celsius during the months of November to April. The entrance fee to Northern Blossom Flower Farm is 250 pesos, good for 2 hours, which includes a coffee and bread. On the other hand, toddlers and children below 5 years old have no entrance fee. The Northern Blossom Flower Farm is a 2-hour drive from the City of Pines and the summer capital of the Philippines, which is Baguio City. Photographer and tourist guide is available at the Northern Blossom. Also, there are several umbrellas for rent on the farm. Just present your valid ID. The best time to visit the Northern Blossom Flower Farm is during the sunrise and sunset only. Moreover, the best month to visit the farm is from December to March when the roses and sunflowers are in full bloom. The Northern Blossom opens from Monday to Saturday starting at 6 a.m. up to 5:30 p.m. Also, walk-in tourists will be entertained by their staff. To avoid too much crowd at the flower farm, please visit during the weekdays. Our group leaves the Northern Blossoms Flower Farm around 8:30 a.m. and I want to express gratitude to the local people of Atok, Benguet for showcasing to us the amazing flower farm. It's worth the money because we have unlimited pictorials on the flower farm. Truly, it was such a great experience and I will definitely come back to this place in the near future.